Hello everyone, welcome back to Anonymous World. So in this video I will tell you how to install CyberFox browser and how to install HackBar extension in that browser in our Kali machine. So let's get started. Okay, so we are in a Kali machine. Let's open our Firefox. Simply search for CyberFox Linux. Navigate to the first website sourceforge.net. You can find option for downloading the CyberFox file. Just click on that. So our download will start shortly. Let's just wait. Save file. Okay, so yeah, our download has been started. Meanwhile, we will install our HackBar extension from GitHub. So let's open our terminal. I will install it in my downloads folder. So cd downloads. I will zoom it a bit. Now for copying from git clone, from GitHub we use git clone. I will give you the GitHub link in description also. You can just copy that. https://github.com/justalinko/webshell. I will give this link in description box. Also I will give the link to a CyberFox browser. Okay, so it's cloning into WebShell. So yeah, it's done. I think our CyberFox is also installed. Okay, let's check our downloads folder. So yes, CyberFox is installed. It is with .deb extension. So we will use dpkg to install it, dpkgi and then file name. Okay, so it's installing now. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, so let's just wait. Yeah, so it's done now. Now let's open our CyberFox browser. I will just search for CyberFox. So it's installed. Let's just open it. So this is our CyberFox. Just navigate to add-ons. You can find it in right corner. Click on extensions and there you will find one settings type option. Just click on that and install add-on from file. Now select your HackBar file which you installed. It's hackbar.xpi. Just click on install. Now you need to restart the browser. Okay, and now you can see our HackBar is installed. You can see options of SQL, union based tools, WAF bypass, encode, HTML encrypt and many more options. So it really helps a lot. You can find option of load URL, split URL and execute. You can directly paste your URL there. So let's try using it. If I click on load URL, it will load the URL which is in current address bar. So for example, let's just go to google.com. If I click on execute, it will open google.com. Let's try another website. Again, I clicked on load URL and it loaded a URL present in address bar, the full URL. So let's navigate to some another website and try it again. Let's go to Amazon. See, if I click on load URL, it loaded all full address bar URL, and if you click in split, it will split it parameter wise. Now there is option for encrypting and also for encoding. You can encode in base 64 URL hex. Let's just try anything. So it's my plain text. I will select it and encode it in base 64. So as you can see, it's encoded. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video. Till then, keep learning.